Good morning everybody and welcome back to your daily Luna Classic update. In this video we'll do a very extensive technical overview of Luna Classic, which is definitely needed because yesterday we dropped down. Fortunately we did hold our support level around 17,680, but the price action that's happening right now is not optimal. So we have to talk about that, and there are some things we have to do in order for us to remain bullish, which is definitely not guaranteed anymore. So yeah, let's get right into it. First of all, some fundamentals surrounding Luna Classic. Right now it's pretty quiet fundamentally, and that's also visible in, for example, the volume. Volume has been dropping down ever since practically the 22nd. As you can see, 22nd and 21st, which was still, I believe, was still the weekend. So there was a lot of bullish momentum in the entire market. Excuse me, I have to sneeze, but hopefully I can stop it. There we still had a lot of bullish momentum in the markets, but ever since the volume just keeps dropping because there's no real fundamental news surrounding Luna Classic. There's no news regarding the burn tax or something, which, I mean, usually there was always something. Coinbase news, Binance news. But right now, I mean, you can also see in the at the governance tab, there's one proposal that at least has a little bit of importance, which is this one: cease payments to Jacob Gedikian, which is a consultor for Luna Classic. This has a big deposit and it's actually being voted on, but apart from that, there's no real big proposals. So not a lot going on fundamentally for Luna Classic. Technically though, there's a lot going on. What you can see right now is this was my last analysis. I think I analyzed this 2 days ago like this, or like Monday the 23rd. I said that I did expect us to drop down to 17,000, but that from 17,000 I expected that to hold and that we would be able to slowly get towards 18,500 again, which is our main resistance level, and it has been, well, essentially for the last 3 months. And that at some point, because of the bullish momentum in the market, we could actually still break above 18,500 and get towards our next price target between 20,000 and 20,500. Well, that's it's still my analysis at this point of time, but we do need to do some things before that, because what you can see right now is that yesterday we had actually we had quite a nice bullish move with the entire market. But Luna Classic, which is a little bit less correlated with the entire market than specific, or at least less correlated with Bitcoin than other altcoins, did not react that bullish to it. And what you can actually see is that we had some bearish confirmations. First of all, we had and you can definitely question the validity of this trend line right here, but we had a break retest off of that, and we actually respected the line. But we're now going to delete that. That's of minimal value. But apart from that, what we also did is we are also now finding resistance at those EMAs. And usually what we always had is we always had those EMAs under us, which suggests that we are, or at least not here, but this was just a fundamental crash due to some news. But at least we had them under us and there was some sort of an uptrend going on. Right now we're actually finding resistance at them. So the only way I think in which we could still fulfill this analysis is if right now we can break above those EMAs, which are around 17,500, which doesn't help because that's a small key level as well. So what we need to do, and I do think we're going to do that, but there's a chance that we will not do it, and that's why I wanted to highlight it. What we want to do is we want to break above 17,500, and if we can do that in the next 24 hours, which is what I do expect, then I still think that we'll be able to get towards 18,500, and then somewhere at the end of the week, beginning of the weekend, or that is what I meant to say. I still think we can break above 18,500 and get towards our price target. The thing though is, and what I'm afraid of, is that if we're not able to break above those EMAs again, technically we're no longer in an uptrend. And what's then just going to happen is that we'll just consolidate. I don't think 17,000 will break without bearish fundamentals coming from the market. Otherwise, if there are bearish fundamentals, we will break. We'll drop down to 15,750. But don't worry too much about that for now. But if we are not able to break above those EMAs, we'll just get into a consolidation between 18,500 and 17,000. And then we will not be able to get that breakout to get to our next high. So yeah, that's my full take on Luna Classic for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.